abo lakho abokhona uzohlala ngikhala mina zonke insuku ingane zasekhaya zingihlukumeza ngoba ngingasanayo umzali.
Hi guys, welcome to another vlog of Zinganaz's Temple behind the scene. Boo, 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 boo. And we are in Sun City, baby. Just look at the views, guys. This is Sun City. But let's get down to our cute moments behind the scene. This is the reload. Ngimfundise ishindindi qophetha as ugeli onengane yomzulu ngithi geli mele uthike ukuthi ishindindi qophe nango ke shindindi eshimama
ngimfundise kuthiwa so Guys, this is so gorgeous. Anyways, this is me going to set early in the morning. I think it's because I'm getting so 6 so in my room ngiya esithini ukushuta iscene kasini nomngane wakhe onokubonga. So this is Melo esohamba ngigqokile because manje mic yakho nje iyavelela mulo. So asifake i-t-shirt. This was just me helping out Usne ufake i-t-shirt yakhe nje ukuthi abe ready for sinazoyishootha. Then I was gonna just go out bese ke siye direct see ukuthi iba kanjani. Thank you. Okay. This is us rolling. Guys, Max roller again nje kuyathola ukuthi cwaka. Hayi silalela ukuthi abantu bathini ngoba ka reality la tshelwana ukuthi ubani ithi no. This is a reality show. Abantwana bamakhuba lo so wayesekhona esethini ugelo sisebenza sonke. Hayi ke la kuphela kosuku labo wasithi ba ngezimba. Hope you enjoy. See you guys next time.